Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another Sony Handycam, the CX405, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Really old sensor, but if there's sun out, you usually get really good video quality considering, all things considering, especially since the size of the sensor on this camera is micro. But what I did is I went out on a nice sunny spring day here in Austin and tried to get as much footage as I could to kind of show you what quality of footage you'll get if the sun is out. And we just had some rain, so my deadish or dormant Bermuda grass in the back turned a little bit green. And I haven't put any color correction whatsoever on this, but if it was to be a video that I would publish using this footage, I would definitely drop in some saturation here to bump it up, to make the greens and the blues and all those colors kind of pop and be more vibrant. So here, this next shot here, I'm actually zooming way, 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 way over to another neighborhood across the farm from my house. And you'll notice that, of course, I mean, this is only a sub $200 camcorder and it's old. So the quality of video zooming in, will deteriorate once you get to that really, really far range, but good enough to actually see what's going on over there. Here's a really good quality. It almost looks 4K here. But again, sunlight and light in general really help this camera out a lot. So let's go ahead and zoom on these trees that are behind our fence here, in between our fence and the farm out back. So, I mean, I'm really happy with the quality when it sun's out. Again, I don't think this should be your main YouTube camera. It could be, but I think you'll really have to work hard to make the quality of the video look good unless you live in a real sunny place like Hawaii or, Australia or out west or, in the summer. If it's overcast, you're going to get a little bit grainy footage, but look at the detail on the spider here. Just zooming in on him. Alrighty, that's it. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.